So, hello guys, and today I'm gonna unbox the Xtreme 3 that y'all chose to on the votes on the post that I made like last year, I think. And as I promised, I got it, and it's right here. I got it black because they didn't have another color, unfortunately, but I got the black version. So, and yeah, this is how it looks. Yeah, this unbox kind of late because this thing I think already was released in 2020, but I haven't bought like a new JBL for quite a while now. Let's say a year or two, I'm thinking. Nah, the Gold 3, but like the big ones like this. I haven't got it for a while. But yeah, as you can see, this is the packaging right here. Let me get this out of here. That's how it looks. Looks like almost like the Xtreme 2. I think I have the box right there. But yeah, 15 hours of playtime. How much is the? Let me see. I was tripping. I thought the Xtreme 2 had 20 hours instead of 15, but it has 15 too. Bluetooth 5.1, and big surprise, the model. I got very lucky with it. What does it say right here? GGCO. I don't know what the O is. I'm not sure what kind of year it is. I would say 2024. I'm not sure. But we'll check it out. But yeah, we got the GG version. I've had the ND in my hands before I saw the GG, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna get the GG because people say, or y'all say, the GG is better. So I get the GG because why not? I mean, you know. If y'all say it's better, I'm getting it. So yeah, I'm gonna unbox this thing real quick. Open up this whole packaging and see what we got inside. It did not came sealed like or whatever. It came like this, but it's brand new. I got it from like Mega Mall. Had quite a bit of journey getting it because probably at the third store I had it, I could get it. Because they were not really available anymore, but I got it, so that's what it matters. Some packaging stuff, I guess. I don't know. And it's quite a bit different instead of that Styrofoam one Xtreme 2s. Let me get this manual first and see what I got inside. Let's see. I'm gonna open this. Manual, so I'm gonna keep this. Put this back in here. Safety instruction or whatever, warranty card. I got 6 months warranty on this, but for what? Just in case, I don't know. But if it breaks, I know I can fix it, so I don't need to worry about anything. So this is the first thing we got here, the Xtreme thing. Looks pretty JBL to me, right? Weird thing is, I literally checked there's no strap on this. I did not find any strap or whatever, like no power cable at all. But it's okay. I do have my Xtreme 2 power cable, so it should be okay. But yeah, I got it anyway, so that's what it matters for me. I'm definitely gonna order the strap online or whatever, so I'm okay with it. I don't really mind. But there it is. Come on. Hold on. Let's see. Oh, that's backwards. Hold on. That's so much lighter, bro. There it is. There's this motherfucker. Promised, I got it. I have it right here in front of me. Looks pretty cool. I think I'm starting to accept the new logo. I still like the old logo, like on the chest right here. I still like this logo a lot more. But I don't mind. This is also okay. Looks also pretty nice. But yeah, what do we got on here? We got a flap for this. In and out USB. You can charge it with USB too. Oh, So I got this an aux cable. That's nice. I can connect it with the Xtreme Mono too. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. Alright. I'm actually turning it on. Let's see what we got. I can get dirt. Jeez. Hold on. Got it on this little towel right here. So let me connect it real quick. Got it connected. Let's see how it's sounding like. Put it right here. Give it a quick sound test.
Yes, I did. So I packed it up and brought it back to the crib. Just a little something, show you how we live. Everybody doing it, but it ain't that serious. That's that shit. So if you gon' do it just like this. You don't see just how wild the crowd is. You don't see just how fly my style is. I don't see why I need a stylist. When I shop so much, I can speak Italian. I don't know, I just want it better for my kids. And I ain't saying we was from the projects, but every time I wanna lay away or deposit, my dad'd say when you see clothes, close your eyelids. It was sorta like Will Smith and his son. In the movie, I ain't talking about the rich ones. Cause every summer, he'd get some brand new hairbrain scheme to get rich.
Damn, pretty fucking good, goddammit. You know what time it is now. I'm just gonna take this cover off, see what's inside. In one video, yeah. So let me just figure it out, just off cameras. I'm just gonna take it off and see it when the cover is off. And yeah, I got the cover off, and I'm like, oh shit. It looks basically like an Xtreme 2. I mean, makes sense because it has two or something like that. But it's pretty dang nice from inside too. Like the GG version, it has like more the paper kind of feel. I like the. It's like I think the same feel as a Flip 5 GG as my GG Flip 5. But yeah, that's kind of this. I'm not sure if it's like waterproof, but I hope it is, just in case it gets wet or whatever. But it's sealed, so I don't think that's a problem. That's sealed, yeah, that's sealed. So it's pretty nice. So yeah, you gotta take care. Look at the tweeters, the woofers. I think these are new magnets. That's why I know they're new magnets. So that's why it's a lot lighter. But yeah, they look pretty dang nice. And now I'm putting LFM and see what kind of flicks we got out of these. LFM, not LFM yet. Oh.
0216.
Ah, that's. Oh, it's like this. Shit. Totally forgot. What happened? Hold on. Alright, now. Wrong.
Me gusta marihuana, me gustas tú. Me gusta colombiana, me gustas tú. Me gusta la montaña, me gustas tú. Me gusta la noche.
Does it work?
¿Qué voy a
Yay!
hacer? Je ne sais pas. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je ne sais plus.
It has. Nice. Let's see.
Me gusta la cena, me gustas tú. Me gusta la vecina, me gustas tú. Me gusta su cocina, me gustas tú. Me gusta camelar, me gustas tú. Me gusta la guitarra, me gustas tú. Me gusta el reggae, me gustas tú. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je ne sais pas. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je ne sais plus. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je suis perdu. Mi corazón, mi corazón. Me gusta la canela, me gustas tú. Me gusta el fuego, me gustas tú. Me gusta menear, me gustas tú. Me gusta la Coruña, me gustas tú. Me gusta Malasaña, me gustas tú. Me gusta la castaña, me gustas tú. Me gusta Guatemala, me gustas tú. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je ne sais pas. ¿Qué voy a hacer? Je ne sais plus. ¿Qué voy a hacer? suis perdu. Que corazón, mi corazón.
It was pretty damn good, bro. Hell yeah. It's GG Xtreme 2 3, sorry. I got used to the 2 because I only used to have the 2 and 1. But I got the 3rd version, so yeah. I know that's the 4th version. There's the 4th version out there. I saw it in real life. It's pretty nice. This is definitely nicer than the Xtreme 4, but that's gonna be in the future. Not sure when, but once the prices go down from that speaker, one will say the Xtreme 5 is out or whatever. But that's gonna be a long time, I think. Probably 2 years or something like that. Not even sure, but whatever. I got this, so I'm pretty fucking excited to do some videos with it and see what it can do, right? And thanks for watching.